Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play the Ligue Uber Eats chapter in FC Mobile 2024. So here, as you guys can see, I've already on the TOTS new chapter, the Ligue Uber Eats, and here there are 3 matches that you need to play to earn the TOTS point C. So after you play each match in here, you'll get the TOTS point C progress 15 times. And here, if you complete the daily training, you can claim the TOTS point C. You'll get total 50 points of the TOTS point C per day. So in here, as you guys can see, I currently have 60 TOTS. So if you want to open each of the puzzle piece, you need to spend 10. So if you want to, you can just click on the box, click on 10, and after that it will be open. Click on tap to open. So this is the reward. Click on continue again. So this is the level 1. So you need to open all of this ball to earn the rewards. So this is the level 1, and if you success, you can advance to the level 2 and up to level 6. Okay, so try this game, try your luck. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Enjoy the game.